6:27 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Bay Minette, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and $half-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bay Minette, Atmore, Interstate 65 and Alabama Highway 225 and Bragg. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Alabama: Baldwin and Escambia, Florida.